boys are on fucking tour.
Oh, yeah.
It is not wicked. Oh no. Wait, it's my go again. Oh.
We're in the back of the van. We decided not to put up the tent because we couldn't be asked.
So we went to the pub
Ah, pit.
and we was chatting to the barmaid. She
But you
came
think
and
you're
played a
bad?
few games of cards with us. And then she said, "Oh, why don't you guys come back tomorrow?" And Chris was supposed to say, "What time's your shift?" Chris, what he actually said was, "What time do you shit?"
That's always the best question you got to ask.
Clearly.
We've driven 6 hours. This bomber clad.
Oh, it's cold. I'm not going in.
Alright, should we just try?
Yeah, boy. Hey.
Alright, I'm getting out.
Go on, Sean. Yes, go on.
Yes, Jesus.
Woo! It's the coldest water in the world.
Three. Thinking about it. I like that.
This is where we're staying. It's the second night. I slept in the van, the back of it. I think I'm the first one up. I'd sleep in there. Sean's sleeping. Sean's sleeping in the tent. Sean's sleeping in the tent.
Out. It was out.